We are running down there because we are late. It's happy haunt season. Staying up weird hours, oversleeping. The traffic was bad to get here. We have 15 minutes till the tour. Mary says we're doing good time. I think this is like record.
No more than 15 minutes.
Yeah, we're fine, Mary. We made it. Oh my God, you guys. We were worried. We got stuck at the parking lot. We were literally speed walking through the park. I didn't even have a chance to get off the camera till now. Ooh. There goes 80s music.
I can tell. It's gonna be right there.
Not gonna let us film in there.
Eventually.
All right, guys, we are making our way up. We just got off the out of the Stranger Things Haunted House Lights On tour, and we couldn't take any pictures or video, but that's okay because you guys could just see our walkthrough of it with all the actors in it.
Yeah.
And the Cat Blumhouse kids. I don't remember their names offhand. That was fun though.
Yeah, it was.
Check it out, you guys. Fast and Furious construction. Oh yeah, it sucks because, you know, I wanted to wear spooky stuff today, but since we haven't gone to Universal practically all summer, I got these really fun shirts to wear. Fast and Furious, Vin Diesel. And Mary was just saying the line got pretty long down there. So it's basically just like a haunted house maze line, and you just walk through it.
Yeah, with the lights on.
Yeah.
And all the effects
And no
are
actors.
on.
So,
No actors.
but that was fun. And there's Fast and Furious. You guys better have like some good place to eat, like a little like sandwich stand with tuna and no crust.
No crust.
The little bitty market that's in the first movie where
It served tuna.
yeah, and serve tuna with no crust. Check it out, guys. Tuna.
He says it in
no
the first
crust.
movie.
Yeah, for those of you who've not been a long time fan, he says it in the first movie. Look at all those balloons. Look at the monsters. You guys, look at that. They got the classic monsters on them. Isn't that cool? All right, guys. This is probably our last visit to Universal Studios until, I don't know, right?
Yeah. Grinchmas.
Grinchmas probably. We'll come back in November maybe. Oh look, they still have the sign up for Evil Dead Rise. Is the owl always moving, Mary? We watched Evil Dead Rise last night. That was some intense stuff. It's been like 10 years since a Evil Dead Rise or Evil Dead movie. This one was pretty gnarly. All right, guys, we just left. We got this cup that we wanted to get. It's pretty cool. It's in there. We'll show you later. But they came with a free tote bag. Nice. Yes. Now we're gonna go get some food at City Walk because we need to. It's gonna take a while to get to Buena Park, like a good hour and a half because of traffic. Good old California traffic. We are eating at City Walk. There's a nice view of Toothsome's Taco Bell. And we might go get a shake afterwards. So you guys, there's a special Halloween Horror Night shake that we're gonna try from Toothsome's called the Grave Awakening. Look at that. Cool. And it's gone. There's a steampunk spider way up there. We haven't eaten in here yet, you guys. This is the deadest we've ever seen it. Mm-hmm. This is the time to go to theme parks in the middle of the week. Look at that camera. Look at all the ice cream. Yum, yum. Look at this thing, it's huge. It's huge. Look at all that yumminess. Chocolate. It even says Halloween Horror Nights in the back of it, you guys. You guys, it's really good. It's got like Fruity Pebbles in it, cereal.
Oh, I got the full ingredients list. I'll post it on Instagram.
All right, cool. But it's good. We like it. And the writing will,
Check
if
this
you
out.
put your hand over it, look at that. All right, we are now heading back to our vehicle. so we can make our way to Vampirates. And wow, we have now, this is our second vlog from Universal Studios that we haven't posted yet. We still have another vlog we're working on. We're getting backed up this haunt season. We're trying. We'll catch up. We don't have that much stuff, but we should be able to catch up before the main event, Scary Farm opening night. Thanks so much everybody for tuning on our quick little visit to Universal Studios Hollywood. Yes. We are now making our way to Vampirates. Woo. And yeah, that will be a separate video obviously. Thank you so much for tuning in again. We're gonna give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, Starport 55, Pro Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, and Jax. Woo! We'll see y'all next video.
Bye-bye.
Happy hunt season.
Woo!